cystic fibrosis. I love to dance, swim, ride my bike, and play with my Esther gummy bear. But most of all, I love to find a cure for cystic fibrosis. It's not fun having cystic fibrosis. It takes so much time every day doing my treatments. But I've been very lucky. I'm doing really well because I have the best doctor in the whole world. That's you, Dr. Rita. My mom gave me a special bracelet that says "Be brave" on it. I always have to be brave every day doing my treatments and going to the doctors. I want to give some bracelets to some special people that help me to be brave. Lily. Jen Olson. Nancy Rayo. And Dr. Buida. I want to thank everyone for coming here tonight and for helping me to